Cyber culture interface will help you get started in cybersecurity by making its concept simple, accessible, and applicable for both professionals and beginners alike. My name is Olalekan Ilori. I'm a certified cybersecurity expert and the creator of Cyber Culture Interface. Over the years, I've helped individuals and organizations stay safe online and also a lot of candidates to pass a cybersecurity certification exam. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I create videos to inform, educate, and inspire people to navigate the cybersecurity world with confidence. Expect videos on cybersecurity career pathways and tips, beginner tutorials, cybersecurity tools and software that can help you to stand out, how to learn cybersecurity practical hands-on skills that will help you stand out in any way or anywhere you're applying for jobs, and so many other videos. And I'm here to guide you through every step of doing mastering cybersecurity. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and put on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of the videos I'll be releasing every Mondays and Friday on this channel. Once again, welcome to Cyber Culture Interface.